Hi everyone, it's Marky. Let's talk about this Pink Queen dress that I got. I think it is so beautiful. The color has stayed so vibrant, even being washed multiple times in the washing machine. It does have this little cutout detail here so you can show your midriff, or I like to actually flip it around and have the cutout on my back. So it's really versatile. You can switch up how it looks on you or how you want to wear it. It does have a crew neck, and then it has a split on the side that goes up to about your knee, maybe a little bit higher depending on your height. This comes to about mid-calf on me. And so, like I said, again, depending on your height, it will come higher or lower. It fits beautifully. It does have spandex in the material, so it's really stretchy. It washes great. I haven't had any issues. That stayed really bright and colorful. I will try this on just so you can kind of see what it looks like, and I will be right back. Okay, so now that you've seen it on, you know what it looks like and how it kind of fits to your body. It is bodycon, so you can wear some shaper under it if you want. It's great for any occasion. I wore it to Easter just a little while ago, and then I also have worn it out on date nights. I just think that it's a perfect piece that's really versatile. So I hope this was helpful, and thank you.